Hello Sudoku fans, welcome today in the daily newspaper on a Monday, December the 9th. We have one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So let's get started. I see a lot of sixes, so we will start with the six in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for a 6 is here or there. I see here already a 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for a 6 must be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for a 6 is here or there. I see here already a 6, so no 6 here. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the last column, the only 3 places for a 6 is here or there. I see here already a 6, no 6 here. I see here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 must be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for a 4 is here or there. I see here already a 4. No 4 there. 4 must be here. Then this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be in this box or that box. So in this column, we have a 4 here. In the column next, we have a 4 there. So in the last column, the only 2 places for a 4 must be here or there. I see here already a 4, no 4 there. 4 must be here. Then a 1 in this row, a 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for a 1 is here. This big square, one of the missing numbers is a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Only place for the 1 is here. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 3, 4. Missing numbers here, 3, 4 and 5 of this big square. 3, 4 and 5. Remember that? I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Yes. One of the missing numbers in this big square is a 2. I see here 2. No 2 in these 2 boxes. I see there 2. No 2 in these 3 boxes. Only place for the 2 should be here. Yes. Then the 3, yes, I see here a 3. So no 3 in these 3 boxes. 1 place is left for the 3 in this big square. The missing numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, are 7, 8, and 9. I see here 8 and 9. So one digit is left. Number 7. 8 and 9. 8 and 9. That means this box in this row, this number is for number 5. Eight and nine, 8 and 9, yes. We have an 8 in this row, an 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. I see here already an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for an 8 is here. 8 in the last row, 8 in one of these 2 boxes in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. I see here already an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then 1, 3, and 5. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in that row, the only place for the 7 must be here. 3, 4, 5 and a 2. Yes. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 5, 7, and well. 7. Yes. Missing numbers in these 3 for this column: 5, 7, and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Be patient. 4, 4. Of 3. Yes, the 2. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So in the second column, the column between, the only 2 places for a 2 is here or there. I see here already a 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. Then 1, 4, 5, and 9. The 2. The 2. Let me think. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. I cannot feel this yet. Yes, 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So in the column between, the only place for the 1 must be here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there. I see a 1 over there, so no 1 here. 1 should be here. These 3 numbers of this row, the numbers are 4, 5, and 9. 4, 5, and 9. Can I do something with the 4, 5, 4? I cannot place the 4 here. So the 4 could be there or there. 5. No, and then 9. One of these 2, the 9. 4, 5, and 9. No, I need to wait. These 3. 9, yes. 9 here or 9 there. We have a 9 there. The 2. 2, 9, and 7. 7. So we have a 7 and a 9 there. So here in this box I cannot put the 7 or the 9. 7 or the 9. So 1 digit is left. That's the 2. The missing numbers here were 7, 9, and 2. So the 2 is now there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the last row, the only 2 places for 2 is here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 must be here. 2 missing numbers for this row. Numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 3 and 5. 3 and 5, 8 and 9, 8 and 9, 8 and 9, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. So here must be a 3. Yes, one of the missing number in the big square is a 3. I see here 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. I see there 3, no 3 in this box. Only place for the 3 should be here. 3 in the second column, 3 in the third column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for a 3 is here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then one of the missing numbers here in this column is a 3. I cannot put a 3 here. We have a 3 there. I cannot put a 3 there. We have a 3 here. The only place for the 3 should be here. 3, 3. 4 and 5. Alright. The other numbers in this big square, the 7, the 9, and the 5. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Here the 3 numbers, 7, 9, and 5. 5. Here. The 2 missing numbers in this second column, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square is number 7. 1 missing number in this row is number 9. One missing number of this big square is number 7. Then in this big square, one of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 in this box. We have a 9 over there, no 9 in that box. One box is left for the 9. There's this one. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 9 should be here. Two missing numbers for this big square. The numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 here. 3 must be here, and the 5 goes there. One missing number in this row for the number 4. One missing number in this row for the number 5. One missing number of this big square is number 3. Two missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 here. 4 must be here, and the 5 goes there. One missing number in this column for the number 5. And we have a pair, the 9 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. These 3 numbers of this row, the numbers are 1, 9 and 7. 1, 9 and 7. The 9 we have, so no 9 there. 9 we have here, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 must be here, and a 1 goes there. One missing number in this column is number 5. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there. We have a 5 there. No 5 here, 5 must be here. One missing number in the middle column is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 8 is missing. Wow. Then one missing number in this column is number 9. 2 missing numbers of this big square, number 9 and 7. Now we have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 must be there, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 here. 7 must be there, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column, 8 and 9. Now we have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 must be here. The 8 goes there. One missing number in this big square is number 8. One missing number in this big square is a number 2. One missing number in this big square is a number 1. So we have finished this in 18 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.